Hey everybody, so today we're making a sticky chicken rice bowl. So just going to start out with using some sushi rice. This is the brand that I like, but you can use whatever brand you would like. You can also use any other type of rice you want. I'm just putting 1.5 cups of rice in there, and then we're going to add some water, 2 cups of water right there. And we're just going to bring that to a boil and then simmer it for 15 minutes, just like you would cook rice. I'm going to go ahead and get the air fryer ready. So just going to set it to air fry, set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I just push the timer up to like 30 minutes just to be able to kind of make it go and preheat it. We have some chopped chicken there, and we're going to season it with oregano, garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, and some salt and pepper. So I'm just putting some oil on there and seasoning it up. And it's going to end up looking like that. And throw that in the air fryer. While it's going, we're just going to heat up another pan with some oil. And we're going to go ahead and throw some broccoli in there. And that broccoli you can just season however you want. I did garlic powder, salt, pepper, and some red pepper flakes. But however you really want to do that is fine. And then we're going to make a sauce. So this has soy sauce, honey, rice wine vinegar, garlic, sriracha, and sesame oil. I'm just going to mix that together and throw that in a different pot. And we're going to just bring that to a boil here in just a second. And then while that's boiling, we're going to go ahead and make a cornstarch slurry. And then once that's at a boil, we're just going to throw that cornstarch slurry in there. And that is just going to thicken that up and make it also nice and glossy as well. So we're just going to stir that up there. And then while that's going, we're going to make a spicy mayo. This just involves some mayonnaise and some sriracha and some water. Just going to mix that together and it's going to look like that. By that point, the chicken hopefully is going to be done. So you just throw it in the bowl and then you're going to just pour this beautiful sauce in there. Look at that. That looks pretty nice, right? So we're going to go ahead and pour that in, and then we are just going to stir that up. And look at that. Certainly if you want your sauce a little thicker, you could let that go a little bit longer. And then once you've assembled it, it's just going to look just like this.
Sticky chicken rice bowl. It's what's for dinner. Oh, that's really good.